Okay, sorry about the little delay here on the request that had been made for the analysis of Ripple or XRP. So here the chart looks, voila, just like OMG, ZEC, BTC. But let me just take you through it. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see the definitions of the subwaves being placed here. Let's do this. Put it in to a wave count. So 1. And I think the advantage of me doing similar types of counts on similar looking charts is advantageous for my learning instructor purpose, because you're seeing with repetition. For most human beings, repetition is a good way of learning and gaining the experience, obviously. So here it is. 1, 2, 3. If that's 3, this is 4. 4 does not overlap the peak of 1. 2 does not retrace below the bottom of 1. Check, check. And wave 5. If this was higher, I would have put wave 5 right there. Doesn't really matter. Okay, in fact, I could do that as well, but I'm just going to leave it here. ABC. These are the subwaves of ABC of the A wave retracement, as you can see here. Okay, if this is A, B, C, just like you saw in OMG, Ripple, ZEC, and others. And I'm getting a little excited here because I'm seeing the subwaves of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is just being placed. Maybe it was a little higher here. If it goes higher than the peak of B, that'll be even better sign. The bottom of C is below the bottom of A, not by that much, but that's okay, because what you want to do is look at the length traveled. In later episodes, we'll go in what is the proportion usually that C travels compared to B, how long is C compared to A, but we'll get into that later, because right now it'll just make it a little more confusing and away from the basics. So let's label these as well. In parentheses, because they are of lower scale. So 1. Oops. 2. 3. 4. Looks impulsive to me, which is very good. 5. I'd feel really good if this, well, these subways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes what? A higher level, higher scale, wave 1, wave 2. Again, the reason why we're seeing so much similarity here is because sentiment is across similar from coin to coin to coin. And why is it so similar? Remember, I said Bitcoin is the moon that moves the tides. When Bitcoin gets happy, the altcoins get even more giddy. That is a bullish scenario. So if Bitcoin is rising, it's going to pull the tide of the altcoins and it's going to follow. The only difference I see is that when Bitcoin rises by 5%, altcoins, because they get giddy compared to happy, will do 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times that in percentages. So in a situation like this, what is better to hold to gain greater percentage? There, exactly. Altcoins will give you greater percentage returns. And percentage at the end of the day to your net liquidity counts the most. Positive percentage, that is. Okay, so here is Ripple XRP, looking very similar to everything else.